Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat. So if you first time using Google Chat, you want to start a conversation with someone, you can add by email or you can synchronize with your contact. So the first thing to do, you can search on you can tap on this message or chat icon, tap it, and you can search person space or app. For example, you can search your friend in a by email. For example, here you can tap on these people and done, and you can start chat in here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.